To view your patient outcomes report, you will need Microsoft Excel. In this example, we're going to view the patient outcomes report for the main health complaint pathway. At the bottom of the Excel sheet, you will see a series of different tabs where you can view all the clinical data, outcomes data, and practitioner-entered data collected via this pathway. Patient demographics show the age, gender, and ethnicity of your patient population. Patient intake form shows the data collected by the main intake form, such as patient BMI, previous diagnostic investigations, medication use, and medical comorbidities. Additional patient intake form similarly shows the data collected by the additional intake form if you have also been using this form. Health complaint shows a breakdown of the broad and subcategories of your patient's main health complaints, as well as the chronicity of these problems. Practitioner case report shows the data collected via the practitioner case report form, which you can record manually or is triggered automatically for each patient 3 months after they've been initiated on an outcomes plan. This shows data such as treatment frequency, techniques and modalities used, lifestyle advice given, as well as a further breakdown of acupoints and/or herbs used, as well as diagnostic information. Outcome measures show all your patient outcomes for each type of plan on this pathway. It shows patient progress over time for each outcome measure, as well as how many patients responded at each time point. It also shows your overall patient improvement and satisfaction rates. Compliance and consent shows the number of patients who have given their consent to data collection and contact, as well as number of patients with a confirmed email address. Filters brings you back to the main page, which display all the different filters that you can use to change the data displayed in the rest of the tabs to explore differences in clinical outcomes and demographics for all your patients. The data in each filter column broadly corresponds to the data displayed in each tab, and this is denoted by color. You can filter your clinical data by patient demographics such as gender, age by year of birth, and ethnicity by country, different practitioners if there are multiple practitioners in your clinic, cause of health complaint, diagnostic method, previous treatment, as well as comorbidities, medication use, and pregnancy status, type of health complaint and chronicity, treatment frequency, type of treatment received, and by lifestyle advice given, and finally, you will see filters for consent status. Please note, it's very important that if you plan on publishing or sharing any of the data or graphs within this patient outcomes report, you should apply the filter so that only data from patients who have given their consent to data processing are included. To apply a single filter, simply click on the filter you wish to use. To select multiple filters, select a single filter, then click the green tick box next to the box header, and you can select multiple filters within the same category. For example, you can select multiple types of health complaints together, multiple years of birth to create custom age groups, or different levels of treatment frequency. Another way of selecting multiple filters is to click the green tick box before you select the first filter. You can then click to remove items instead of adding them. To remove all filters, simply click the red X icon next to the green tick box icon. As you apply or remove these filters, your patient outcomes report will automatically recalculate the data shown to you in the different tabs, so you can easily explore the differences in clinical outcomes for each filter applied. This allows you to systematically audit your practice, to explore where your patients may be getting the best outcomes and from receiving which types of treatment. It can also highlight any areas where you would like to improve your outcomes.